So our game is called Deflection. Some background on this game: we wanted to make a puzzle game, but I also thought it would be pretty cool if we could put some laser features in there. So the basic how the game works is you have a laser, and then you're given mirrors, and you have to navigate. You have to guide the beam to reach a target.
So here's the game on my phone. I was going to use the webcam, but I guess it's big enough to see here. Can you see it? Yeah, so here you can touch the screen to begin. Shows you some instructions real quick. And yeah, it runs on his too, because it's Android. And so, yeah, you can twist the mirror, and you hit the target. Laser gets, deflected. Okay. All right. Okay, thanks. All right. So this is the second level. As you can see, just real quick, tap the mirror to flip it. And then, level 3, it gets a bit complicated. Level 4 and 5 are really, really complicated. Well, not complicated, but, seem complicated. Like, that was easy. 3 steps, right? And so it keeps going on and on like that. And the lasers are real time, and it has good polish. Like, I could publish this to the App Store right now. It has no bugs whatsoever because we ironed everything out perfectly. And I guarantee that. We've tested this for hours and hours, and there's no bugs whatsoever. So I can say that confidently.
So what happened behind the scenes is that each of the levels of the game, we didn't hard code it in Java itself, but we save it in the text file. So what basically you see on the screen is that all the laser and mirrors and walls, those are the XY coordinates. This allows flexibility in game modification or alterations in future. And then we might hire a game levels editor, and we just thought of like maybe you can put it open source and make some really interesting and exciting opportunities for users to edit the game as well.
Right. So we can add levels like in a minute by just writing where the mirrors are and where the walls are, where the laser comes from, and stuff like that. So we only made five levels because it's so easy to make a level. So once we release it to the App Store, we could also release a GUI or something where you can have an editor to edit the levels yourself and make new levels and maybe publish it to a cloud service.
So while this idea is not entirely our idea, there's about 1 or 2 other apps that kind of follow this game model. But we see big opportunity in this because those games are not popular. You've never heard of them, right? So we can have like an open source or have people create their own levels. And we've considered putting stars in the game where you shoot through stars and get 3 stars. And this game is it is very